Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, December 13, 2023 on our channel. New air handling unit kits to connect to WHO's to DX outdoor units. STEF Orders Vector eCool Refrigeration Systems from Carrier Transicold. Renewable heating and cooling in Spain. Key figures of the refrigeration sector in South Africa. Raising temperature of frozen foods by just 3 degrees from -18 degrees Celsius to -15 degrees Celsius can slash carbon emissions. RETA and RSES memberships approve merge. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. New air handling unit kits to connect to WHO's to DX outdoor units. Daikin has announced the launch of new expansion valve kits and control box for easy connection of Daikin DX, direct expansion, outdoor units with air handling units. The new kits also operate with a lower GWP refrigerant R32, providing a low-carbon solution for heating, cooling and fresh air that creates an optimal comfort for commercial spaces. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. STEF Orders Vector eCool Refrigeration Systems from Carrier Transicold. STEF, the European leader in transport and logistics dedicated to temperature-controlled food products, confirmed an order for 10 Vector eCool systems during Solutrans, the recently held biennial trade show for road and urban transport professionals in Lyon, France. STEF and Carrier Transicold are pursuing a strong common objective to decarbonize transport for sustainable electric mobility. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Renewable heating and cooling in Spain. The Spanish Roundtable kicked off on the 23rd of November with inspiring presentations by numerous speakers representing the renewable heating and cooling sector in Spain. Marta San Román, Director General at EFEC, the Spanish Heat Pump and Heating Ventilation Air Conditioning, HVAC, Manufacturers Association, gave insights into Spain's heat pump market. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Key figures of the refrigeration sector in South Africa. The stock of household refrigerators is expected to double by 2040 and AC sales should increase with economic growth, according to South Africa's National Cooling Plan. Earlier in 2023, South Africa released its National Cooling Plan, which outlines the country's efforts to improve energy efficiency and reduce CO2 emissions. The air conditioning market in South Africa. AC sales in South Africa rose from 180,000 in 2011 to 350,000 in 2016, after which they stagnated due to slow economic growth. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Raising temperature of frozen foods by just 3 degrees from -18 degrees Celsius to -15 degrees Celsius can slash carbon emissions. Frozen food temperatures could be changed by just 3 degrees to save the carbon dioxide emissions of 3.8 million cars per year, research suggests. Most frozen food is transported and stored at -18 degrees Celsius, a standard that was set 93 years ago and has not changed since. A move to -15 degrees Celsius could make a significant environmental impact with no compromise on food safety or quality, the study found. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. RETA and RSES memberships approve merge. The Refrigerating Engineers and AMP, Technicians Association, RETA, is pleased to announce a merger with the Refrigeration Service Engineers Society, RSES. RETA is the leader in training, education, and certification for industrial refrigeration technicians and engineers. RSES is a leader in training, education, and certification for professional HVACR technicians and contractors. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.